Why are we here? Where do we come from? These are the most enduring of questions. It's a story that we wouldn't be able to tell were it not for the one thing that connects us vividly to our vast cosmos. Light. Through light, we can stare back across the entire history of the universe and discover how it all began. See, those ancient beams of light are messengers from the distant past, and they carry with them a story. The story, the origin of the universe. Gaze up into the night sky, capture the light, and read the story of the universe. Isn't it a wonderful thing? We are part of the universe. Isn't it a wonderful thing? The story of the universe is our story. The story of the universe is our story, carried on waves of light. Wave after wave after wave of light. All colours of the rainbow, colours of the rainbow. Wave after wave after wave of light. All colours of the rainbow, colours of the rainbow. Light can transport us to the past, and we have become virtual time travellers. Night falls, darker and darker, and the universe fades into view. Night falls, darker and darker, darker and darker. Stars being born in distant realms, alien worlds created by gravity, stars that shine with the light of 1,000 suns, and vast swirling galaxies. These waves of light are messengers from across the cosmos, and through them we have discovered the wonders of our galaxy, frozen in time. Gaze up into the night sky, capture the light, and read the story of the universe. Isn't it a wonderful thing? We are part of the universe. Isn't it a wonderful thing? The story of the universe is our story. The story of the universe is our story, carried on waves of light. Wave after wave after wave of light. All colours of the rainbow, colours of the rainbow. Wave after wave after wave of light. All colours of the rainbow, colours of the rainbow. Billions and billions of suns shine in the sky. The story of the universe, carried on waves of light. Gaze up into the night sky, capture the light, and read the story